Hi, I am Mini Honey Bear 100. I am telling you that Peter's River Bell is Mini Honey Bear 100. I repeat, Peter's River Bell is Mini Honey Bear 100. You will know that. Okay, what I'm trying to say, if there are any questions why Peter's River Bell is not allowed to go on Star Stable anymore, please ask them in the description box or in the conversation area on my channel. Okay, bye!